Hi, this is Jason Behrman. This is MOAB Attendance Problem Solving. So for this experiment, I worked with a coworker, human resources, on how to train the utilization of MOAB techniques. So I worked with human resources. Due to their access of all the employee records, we could look at who had been trained in the past and what their scores were and who needed more training for additional classes. We created a strength-based email communication with a self-sign-up feature, so we were able to email managers, upper management, to let them know, here's our class sign-up sheets, what time can your employees show up, what date, and then we would accordingly make sure we had enough people to fill the class. Email communication had an automatic save feature, and as in Project Asha, we communicated to the employees rather than waiting for them to contact us, because as some of you know, you're waiting for some employees to contact for training. It will take quite a while to do this, and we wanted to try to get this rolling very, very quickly. Our goal was accomplished if we got 90% of the employees in the organization trained. Some of the questions that we have with some of the employees is how will it help them. The questions that some of the answers that we derived from was from that it'll help the employee by providing them the tools and the techniques and the confidence to handle either a upset individual, and the confidence to be able to speak to them calmly and professionally. The execution, we utilized strengths by using organizational interest and support. We went, as I said before, we went to the upper management. We had their 100% support, as also people from around the organization, different managers from around the organization. We used a 4D technique, discovery, the organizational support, employee interest. Our dream was to get 100% employee compliance. Our design was created by our email communication similar to Asha. It's actually going out to the people. And our destiny is highlighting success stories in future MOAB communications. We had, as a result, we had 75 employees signed up. This was significantly higher than the previous training rate of 40%. And even though we didn't meet our objective, we anticipate further sign-ups over time once the word gets out. So I was surprised by how much a difference a strength-based approach made by using email compared to previous weaker communications. As in, if somebody just word of mouth, hey, you're going to go join the the class next week, or yeah, there's a sign-up sheet. This way, it went out to everybody. Everybody's able to see it. The process naturally aligned with my kindness and leadership strengths. I've always wanted to help people, and this is a great way if someone's upset and just needs to talk to somebody. It was a great way to do that. Also, leadership to taking the role and helping the organization as well as helping other people. Use David Cooperfield's focus on the positive. It was unexpected beneficial as evidenced by the increase in responses. So it wasn't all negative, saying that all this never helps, all the classes never work. This actually worked. We utilized the compassion of the staff, understanding that when you take this class and use these tools, it will decrease the violence in the workplace. And all our basic and future email communications on strengths that would drive more interest. And it's a natural, easy solution compared to negative perspectives. That it's easy to deal with patients that not knowing what to say or do. It's just easier solving technique using these strengths. Thank you for listening.